Assalamualaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about focus is a decision. Focus is not a feeling. Focus is a decision. Distractions are everywhere. Attention is limited. What you allow in decides what you build. Multitasking feels productive. It weakens results. Single focus feels slow. It creates depth. If you are young, protect your attention. Remove noise. Choose one task. Finish it. One focused hour beats many distracted hours. Decide your focus. Guard it daily. Focus builds skill. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.